episode. This is Gossip Saga. No. Okay, let's change to Baby Opilapa Gets Grounded. Much better.